Now, Itel has been killing it with their budget-friendly phones, and they recently launched a new series called the City series with their new smartphone called the Itel City 100. I mean, they've already got the P series, they've already got the A series, they've got the S series and the RS series, and now the City series is joining the crew. I'd say it's sitting between the P and the A series. So we are looking at a mid-range budget vibe, you know. Now, stick with me and I'll spill all the juicy details as we dive into the unboxing. Now, before we go into the video, I dropped a password at a particular timestamp. Now, what you are going to do is to find that password, and the first person that is going to find that password and let me know the timestamp is going to get a gift from me. I mean, somebody won a prize from our last video, so you could be the next person. As you can notice, the phone is promising a 60-month smoothness warranty, which I'm guessing is just a gimmick. Or what do you think? Do you think it's a marketing trick or a legit promise? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now, inside the box, we've got the phone itself. We've got a magnetic case, which is a cool bonus, but it is first come, first serve. So you've got to be quick, right? There's also an 18-watt charger with Type-C cable, a SIM ejector, and a warranty card. Now, that's pretty standard, but everything you need is in there. And oh, here is the kicker. If you snag this phone early, you get a free Itel Max Speaker, and it's got this RGB light and hooks up with the phone with that magnetic case. I mean, how awesome is that? So what's making the City 100 stand out? First is that it is slim. I mean, 7.65mm design. Now, it feels super sleek in the hand. There's the big 5200 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging, and it's got this bypass charging feature, which is perfect for gamers, so that they don't have to fry their batteries. Now, the IP64 rating adds some toughness, and the 6.75-inch display rocks a 90Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. And that mega memory, I'm talking about the 8GB RAM and the 128GB storage, that's okay for your apps and your pics. Now, the price isn't out yet, and the official launch is May 5th, 2025, but trust me, it's going to be a steal, right? Or can you guess what will be the price? Let me know in the comment section. Now, let's check out the phone itself. You can see the navy blue version. The back has this dove finish with a light reflection effect. Now, the camera modules got 3 circles, but only 2 are real cameras. A 13-megapixel main lens and an AI lens. Now, the third is just for looks, with a LED flash next to it. Now, the Itel logo is chilling at the bottom in a subtle dark blue. Now, at 7.65mm, it's crazy thin and very comfy to hold. The IP64 rating means it's ready for a splash or dust, so there's no stress there. Now, on the bottom, you've got a 3.5mm headphone jack, a mic, a Type-C port, and a speaker. Now, the right side got the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. And you also have the volume button at the top. Now, the SIM tray is on the left and is a triple slot, a dual SIM plus a micro SD card, which is normal with Itel. Now, the screen is a 6.75-inch IPS LCD with HD plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. So scrolling feels buttery smooth, and the display of the phone actually pops. Now, the bezels are thick, especially with the chin, and it's still rocking a water drop notch, but it's brighter and punchier than other Itel entry-level screens. Now, under the hood is running the Unisoc T7250 chipset. So it's on a 12nm process, 64-bit, with a Malik G57 GPU. Now, the storage is UFS, so it's faster than the usual eMMC stuff. So it will handle Mobile Legends or PUBG Mobile on low settings, no sweat. Now, talking about the sensors, you have the magnetic sensor for maps, a light sensor, and get this, you have an infrared blaster. That means you can control your TV or AC with this phone. Now, it is running Itel OS 14.5.0 on Android 14. Now, it's not the latest Android 15, but it's still fresh enough. There's an AI wallpaper generator that's fun to mess with, and an always-on display, which is rare for an IPS screen, right? Now, it might consume your battery a bit, but it's also a cool flex. You've also got a dynamic bar for apps like Spotify, memory fusion to boost RAM, a smart panel, game mode with bypass charging, a smart hub, dual app support, and even keys mode. So there are many features you can play with. So let me know your favorite feature in the comment section. Now, out of the box, the RAM is left with 4.9 gig free, which is still a lot of breathing room. And the storage has 103 gig left. Now, talking about the camera, the rear setup is a 13 megapixel main camera plus an AI lens, and the front is an 8 megapixel selfie cam. Now, the apps on the camera are beauty mode, portrait mode with 2x zoom, you have slow motion, time lapse, dual video, you have super mode, you have pro mode, you have panorama, and a document scanner. Now, the video tops out at 1080p 30 frames per second, no 60 FPS, and no stabilization. It's expected at this price. Taking pictures with this phone of a plant, you can see that the details are okay, not razor sharp, but it is decent. Now, a portrait shot with a 2x zoom background blurs is solid, not too fake. Now, for video, here's a quick clip. As you can see, the playback is smooth, but it's shaky without stabilization. Now, in good light, it's a solid for a budget cam. Now, the phone has a single bottom speaker, and it's pretty good. Like, the bass is light, but vocals are clear. Now, if you hook up the Itel Max speaker, you'd hear the bass kicking in, and it's way louder. So that's it for the unboxing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you've made this far, please click on the subscribe button, like, share. Just please help the channel to grow. Anyway, I am Eugene, and this is Brandolux.